of myself as a pretty practical person. It might be because I'm a fully licensed ham radio operator. Breaker ISS, this is Eagle 87. Do you copy? Do you want to know something that's not very practical? Dropping $1,000 every other year on a new smartphone that's pretty much the same as your old one. I know, right? It's crazy. Not only is it expensive, but it's also terrible for the environment. Every year, humans produce over 50 million tons of electronics waste, and a lot of that ends up out here, in nature. Ew. Sorry, little buddy. The good news is, it doesn't have to be like that. Introducing the Teracube-The, a new generation of practical smartphone for a sustainable future. Built with recycled materials and designed to last, the Teracube-The takes everything you loved about the original Teracube and makes it even better for the planet and your wallet. So I know what you're thinking. That sounds great, but where's the catch? Well, there isn't one. Let's be honest, smartphones these days are kind of like fitness influencers. They're all kind of the same. The Teracube-The has all the same features as any other smartphone. Don't believe me? Octa-core CPU, 64 gigabytes of storage, 6.1-inch HD Plus display, and dual cameras. See what I mean? Now let's talk about what Teracube gives you that the others don't. How about a 4,000 milliamp hour replaceable battery? In fact, the battery is so easy to change, you can bring a spare, so the adventure never has to end. The Teracube-The is also made with recycled plastics and comes with a 100% biodegradable case. Teracube believes in building sustainable smartphones that last. That's why the Teracube-The comes with a 4-year premium care warranty. That means white glove service, free shipping, and express replacement. So if something goes wrong, just let them know. And they'll send you a new one before you even send yours back. See? It even covers me out here. Thanks. Teracube believes that we have a responsibility to give back to future generations. That's why for every Teracube sold, they're pledging to plant a tree. Every year, the world buys 1.5 billion smartphones. Can you imagine if every smartphone company did that? Good luck, little guy. By the time you're full grown, I might have finally paid off my student loans. The world seems to get faster and crazier every day. But you don't have to play that game. The Teracube-The gives you everything you need in a smartphone and none of the crap that you don't. All with an improved design that's better for the environment and better for your wallet. Squeaky approves. So if you care about keeping the planet beautiful and keeping your hard-earned cash, then join us and let's make smartphones a little more practical.